Keep comfy in your Mini. Cool, ventilate, or heat the interior by preconditioning. For your fully electric and plug-in hybrid Mini, that's standard. Just activate the system when your Mini is in rest or standby state. Go to My Mini and choose Plan Charging/Climate Control. You can set departure times for different weekdays. Check the box to activate preconditioning. For a comfy climate, exactly when you want to leave. If you aren't nearby, keep cool and use the Mini Connected app. Select Climatize Now and Confirm. Preconditioning your Mini during charging gives you more than just a well-tempered interior. As a bonus, you get an extended range, because the climate control won't need as much electric energy while driving. Check out our other how-to videos for more about your Mini.